Nice lang, ang cool lang. Talagang i-enjoyin talaga nila yung pagiging kid nila dito. No pressure at all, play lang, color, drawing, and so on. Si Sabia is advanced daw. Sabi ni Ma'am Jade, so we'll see daw about that. So, yun lang. And ayan, nag-enjoy naman siya. Oh, cute dito, cute doon, the monkey. Ayan, enjoy niya. And there, ayan, napasok kami dito sa loob. Tinawag na kami ni Ma'am Jane. Sabi niya ready na daw yung forms. And ayan yung surroundings sa loob. Malawak naman siya. Iba't ibang style, corner, bawat corner may mga activities. And yan, briefing na, etc. And there you are. Please like, subscribe, and thank you, Lord.